Right now, as I said, we should work on this mouse, which is showing when we play the game, and that's really not the best way. How we can handle our games. And well, to fix that, it's not hard. We just need to open our player movement script. And let's scroll up all the way. Now we know what game starts. And well, what we want to do here after our player camera. We can simply say that we want cursor dots. Lock state to be equal to cursor. Cursor lock mode dots locked right. So it means that when our game starts, we want our mouse to be locked. So we will not be able to see that. But we should be able to see our cursor when we touch some specific keys, for example, and so on. So I'll scroll down all the way. And now, after we do these character controller, don't move what we want to do. Well, we can say here if our inputs dot get key down. And let's use I don't know key escape. Key code is daughter escape. So if we touch our escape key, we want out to unlock our cursor. So we can say cursor dots just like we did before. Sort.lock state equals cursor lock mode. And dots known. And that's it also. We should consider to basically local and local course. Or when our player touch left mouse. Click because it's also quite common. So we can say here else if. And we can say that if our cursor dots. Lock state double equals our cursor. Cursor lock mode dot known right. So it means that if our cursor is not locked. And if we are touching our left mouse. So to do that, we can say if our input inputs dot get mouse button down. And in brackets, we will say O. And 0 means that we are referring to left mouse click. What should happen? Well, if we are touching our left click and cursor is not locked, we want to lock our cursor again. So we can say cursor.lock state equals cursor lock mode dot locked, and that's pretty much it. The basics how the most of the games work and handle a mouse mechanics. So basically, we will check if we are touching escape key, we can unlock our cursor. But if we are touching, for example, left mouse click like we are referring here, we want to lock cursor again. And basically, we can save the script. Let's reload. And well, let's start playing it. Let's test because everything should work. And we can basically click left with the left mouse. And mouse is gone. I don't know if you are able to see video, but sometimes when I'm recording the videos, the mouse is still showing up, but I don't see the course or anymore. And you won't be able to see your course or anymore as well. But if you see it in the video, don't worry about it. Just the little box with these. Always how the program handles videos. And yeah, here we go. We have nice looking third-person controller. And camera which following us. And by the way, you can simply say the script. These player movement script that we have now. And you can use the script to other types of games. So not to write it over and over again all the time. Even though if you are completely not beginner, I recommend you to practice more and write same lines of code more and more. But when you master those mechanics, you just need to save the script somewhere. For example, Heat Hub or something like that. Hey, you can simply then drag and drop it in the new project, assign it to the player. And you just need to add few things. For example, player viewpoint. and I already showed you how to add that. You just need to add these ground layers and yeah. And those numbers as well, and everything will work fine. You can also use this exact script for the first-person games. You just need to take this player viewpoint and just position it to have some first-person look. And everything else will work just fine. So yeah, here we go. That's the basics of our player movement. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.